Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jack Ma, the owner of Alibaba. I'm here to tell you something that will change your mindset and also affect your life. But only those who are ready to be successful in life will watch this video till the very end. When I was young, I failed a lot. I failed in school. I got rejected from a job at KFC. Harvard? They told me, no, not once, but 10 times. I know that sounds funny, right? But here's the part most people miss. I didn't quit. I thought about my life and my future every single day. And that one habit, thinking, reflecting, adjusting, changed everything. So let me ask you something. Do you ever think about your life? What do you think about your future? Like really think, not just daydream or complain. Or do you just wake up, go to school, or go to your 9-to-5 job, and you come back, you scroll TikTok, do homework, watch Netflix, eat, sleep, and you repeat that every day? Because if that's your pattern, then one day life will punch you in the face. Not metaphorically, not gently, but with the full force of missed opportunities and wasted time. If you are the same person today as yesterday, you're not alive. You're just existing. Think about that. Life is not about perfection, it's about progress. Even trees know this. They grow in storms. They grow when their branches are cut. They grow even in dry seasons. Why? Because growth is not optional, it's survival. Let me ask you this. What did you learn today? How did you grow? Are you closer to your dream than yesterday? If you can't answer those questions, you didn't live today. You wasted it. Drop a comment in the comments if you're committed to daily growth. Let's hold each other accountable. Excuses are luxuries you can't afford. Some of y'all are Olympic level excuse makers. My teacher hates me. I failed because my pen broke. I can't succeed because the government is bad. Listen carefully, the world does not care. The world doesn't pause because you're having a bad day. If you fall, nobody's coming. No motivational music, no rescue team, just you alone in silence. And in that silence you have two choices. Stay there and blame, or rebuild yourself. Which one are you choosing? Now go to the comment and drop a comment that I'm ready to build myself. When I see your comment, I'll know you're wise and I will give you a heart. If you'd like to support the channel, leave a like and subscribe. It takes less than a second and helps the channel a lot. We have plenty of inspiring content coming your way, packed with tips to help you live a more successful and fulfilling life. Now that you've commented and subscribed, let's continue. Failure isn't your enemy, it's your coach. You know what's funny? People treat failure like it's a disease, but it's actually your trainer. Remember when you first tried riding a bike? You will fall and fall again. But one day you will eventually balance. Speed, freedom, success works the same way. Every failure is just your personal trainer saying, you're not there yet, but you're getting closer. Next time you fail, don't say I'm finished. Say fantastic. I just learned something no textbook could teach me. Comment fail forward if you're not afraid to try again. When I see your comment, I'll know you're ready and I will give you a heart. Now you have commented. Let's continue. Everybody wants to be rich. But here's a twist. Most people don't like to hear. Money is boring if you're useless. Real success isn't how much money you have. It's about how many problems you can solve, how many people you can help, how much value you bring to this world. Ask yourself, can I solve a problem right now for someone? Can I build something useful? Am I learning something that makes me more valuable tomorrow? Go to the comment and type this. I'm a future billionaire. If you're working on becoming valuable. When I see your comment, I'll know you're wise and I will give you a heart. Remember, words are powerful. Now you have commented. Let's continue. Let me tell you this. Your friends are your future. So if you hang out with 5 lazy people, guess what? You're about to be number 6 lazy person. If you spend time with thinkers, doers, dreamers, you're leveling up without even realizing it. You don't become better alone. You become better by association. So, who's in your circle? Are they pushing you or pulling you down? If your circle is on fire, tag them below. If it's not, maybe it's time to upgrade. If you can't communicate, you'll be invisible. Being smart is cool, but if you can't express your thoughts clearly, you'll stay hidden in the background. Communication is not just talking, it's connecting, inspiring, influencing. Do you want to be a leader? Do you want to be respected? Learn how to communicate. Read, speak, listen. Work smart, not just hard. Imagine two people cutting a tree. The first grabs an axe and starts swinging like a madman. The second sharpens the axe for 30 minutes, then cuts. Who finishes faster? Not the hustler, but the strategist. Hard work is useless if your direction is wrong. Think, plan, then execute. What's your axe in life and have you sharpened it? Money is a tool, not a toy. Most young people only start thinking about money when it's too late. Don't be that person who earns a lot, spends more, and ends up with nothing. Start small. Save. Invest in your mind. Understand how money works before money becomes your master. If you're already learning about money, drop a money emoji in the comments below. When I see your comment, I'll know you're wise and I will give you a heart. Your body is the first business you run. A sick body is a silent dream killer. What's the point of making millions if you're too tired, too anxious, or too sick to enjoy it? Eat better. Move more. Sleep well. Your dreams need your energy. Don't wait until you're 40 to start caring about yourself. Your future self is watching what you eat today. Believe in your dream, even if nobody else does. When I started Alibaba, people called me crazy. Jack, you're just an English teacher. Well, that crazy dream turned into a global empire. Your dream is yours. It wasn't given to your friends. It wasn't given to your parents. It was given to you. So stop asking for permission. If you believe in it, work for it. If they laugh at it, let them laugh. Because nothing's funnier than someone who doubted you today, watching you win tomorrow. Final thought, live or just exist. One day you'll look in the mirror and ask yourself, did I really live or did I just survive? The answer is being written right now by your daily habits. So ask yourself, are you growing? Are you learning? Are you taking responsibility? Are you saving? Are you dreaming? Are you taking action? Because wishing and waiting is not the same as working. Comment, I choose to live, if you're done existing and ready to rise. And when I see your comment, I'll know you're wise and I will give you a heart. Always, remember this today. Your life is your responsibility, and your future is being built one choice at a time. So choose to live from today and not to survive. If this message stirred something in you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Like and subscribe. But most importantly, take action. Not next week, not tomorrow. Today, because like I always say, today is tough. Tomorrow will test you even more. But the day after tomorrow, that's when life becomes beautiful. The tragedy, most people give up the night before. So don't stop, don't wait, don't quit. Let's meet the day after tomorrow where the results live. If this video has added value to your life and you're excited to make the most of it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please share your feedback in the comments below. And don't forget to include the phrase, I watched the video till the very end, so give me a heart. When I see your comment, I'll make sure to give you a heart. To continue your journey to success, there are 3 important steps you need to take. 1. Like this video. 2. Subscribe to this channel. 3. Turn on the notification bell. By doing this, you'll ensure you never miss out on the life-transformative information we share each week for free. Don't miss our future videos where we'll be sharing even more golden nuggets of knowledge. All I ask for is your subscription, and I sincerely appreciate it. Creating quality content for you is our passion, and your support keeps us going strong and helps us continue creating inspiring and motivational content. Click on the subscription button to join now and be part of our journey to excellence and financial success. If you enjoyed this video, it's because you understand the importance of improving your financial situation. Tell us in the comments how this channel has impacted you and where you are watching us from. We'd love to hear your story. Thank you for tuning in. You are the Billionaire Mindset Media Makers. Be sure to watch our other videos displayed on your screen now. We love you.